What's up, Texas Lexus friends? Today we're maybe making a mistake. I bought a K&N air filter. I always thought these were cool, and I told my friends on Reddit Land Cruisers that I bought one, and next thing I know, everyone's like, that is terrible. It's gonna be awful for your car. So, if it is awful for the vehicle, we'll throw it away. But I already paid for it. I don't like returning things, so let's try it out. All right, first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna open up the air box. There's 4 clips that hold it. Yep, you just push it down. They're really hard. I never know how strong an adult finger is versus a kid. Boom, did it. Did that hurt?
Yes, it will.
Okay, you want me to do the rest or you want to try it? 2. And the third one back here.
You might need to do that one.
Yep, okay. And the last one right here. Perfect, nice job. Okay, now let's figure out how you open it up.
That way.
Okay, we'll take a look at this nice filter. Okay, so let's inspect this for a second. I'm seeing some pretty large debris in there. You know, it doesn't look too nasty. Well, it's pretty dirty. I don't know, it's hard to say. I can't remember last time that I changed this. I'm sure it's time, but at the same time it looks pretty nice. I'm gonna save this one. Should we hit it a few times and see if anything comes out?
Wait one sec, don't do the hitting without me.
Okay, here. Go over here, slide over. Let's just do it right here on this cardboard. Oh yeah, I definitely saw some dirt come out. Whoa, look at that. That's pretty cool, huh?
That's
Should we do it again?
Yeah. Whoa!
Yeah.
Yeah, look, you made that go away.
Oh no, it's pretty dirty. Yep, so this is pretty dirty.
Do the other side.
Okay. More junk. This is the underneath side, as you see. It's a solid, I mean, the K&N air filter is about, the entire thing's about the height of the body of the paper filter. And you see all this paper here. So, that doesn't necessarily mean anything. It's just what they look like.
This looks like gerbil food or maybe rat poison. Does anyone have any idea why that would be in there? We have neither gerbils nor rats. I'm going to Google this before we keep going.
So I bought this from a rancher up in Idaho, and it seems like a lot of farmers do this kind of thing because they've got rats on their property. They're trying to make sure they don't make nests inside the air box in the wintertime. Since I don't seem to have that problem, I just went ahead and vacuumed most of it out.
Okay, kiddo, move it back and forth so we can see a little shine. So as you guys see, there's some oil on here. I think the oil is what helps attract dust to the cotton, and that was a lot of people's fears on Reddit. So, I don't know. We're just going to remember to take a look at it, you know, give it a couple weeks, see if it looks like a nasty mess. And if you guys have any experience with these and don't like them, please let me know in the video. Let me know in the comments.
Is that what can start to do?
Yeah, it's probably dissolved here. Just make sure it's all the way down. Okay, now can we get the housing back on? It hurts too much? I know. A lot of the stuff hurts too much.
I was able to lift the clips up, just not lift them down.
Boom! And, oh, you got one left. We just installed an air filter. High five.